Good morning. This is Don again with the Reasonable Realtor, thereasonablerealtor.com. I just wanted to touch bases with you today on my own private rant, my own personal peeve. I work with a lot of people in the course of a given week, and I try to impart a lot of knowledge when I get the opportunity, when I get the honor of getting a chance to. There are things in life that you're just not born knowing, they're not intuitive. If you want to make more money right now or in your life, if you want to do things, if you want to write a book, if you want to publish something, there are a lot of goals that people have, and there's some secrets, some very, very easy secrets that you can follow, and it can give you some success. It can give you some monetary success. It can give you some sense of ego successes. There are three things basically I would like to be able to tell everybody. People have gotten away from these very simple three things, and to the extent that they do not involve themselves with these three items, they find themselves more and more failing at little things they're trying to do. The three things are quite simple. One is whatever you're trying to do, like I said, you're not born knowing how. So it's important that you get some instructions, that you read the instructions, that you listen to the instructions, that you hear the instructions, that you watch the video of the instructions. Somewhere there will be instructions on how to do what you're trying to do. The instructions may be 3 lines long. Read each of those 3 lines. The instructions may be 10 pages long. Read the 10 pages. Read them twice if you need to understand them, but thoroughly read the instructions. The second thing that I would say, and here again, I don't want to insult your intelligence, but it's important to know the second thing is follow the instructions you just read or you just watched. Follow the instructions thoroughly. There's going to be times where you're going to say to yourself, gosh, I'm going to skip item 3 or item 21 because I think that's really not necessary. Don't do that stuff. You're shooting yourself in the foot. If you have instructions, follow the instructions to the letter. That's all you have to do. Follow the instructions. And the third and the final thing that I want to tell you that people have gotten away from, when you get through with your project, stand back and look at it. Is it what you wanted it to be? Is it as good as you wanted it to be? Is it even close to being as successful as you wanted it to be? Look at what you did. If it's not the way you wanted it, then you got to go back to item 1. Lather, rinse, and repeat. You got to read the instructions totally, thoroughly. You got to follow the instructions thoroughly. And then you got to look at it when you're finished. And don't just say, well, I'm through. I'm going to walk off and leave this, whatever shape it's in. Be sure it's what you want. That's all there is to it. I appreciate your time this morning. I would appreciate it very much if you would like this video, if you would thumbs up on this video, if you would subscribe here over in this little red square to my channel. That would be wonderful. Leave a comment. I will respond back to you. It's important to me. I will see you probably tomorrow, trying to make a series of videos right now, and this is just the next of a series. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.